guys, I'm really excited. I've asked Abby to join me again today. Actually, I'm experimenting on him. It'll be my first time cutting a gentleman's hair. And we don't have an apron, so I've taken a normal black bag and I've just folded it in half. And I've cut out the section for his head to go through and then his arms as well. So we'll be using this as a makeshift apron, just to make sure that it doesn't get any hair on him. I've also put a stool and some newspaper around just to catch the hairs. And I've obviously got the shaver and things ready. And I'm going to show you guys a few tips and tricks that he's told me about that I'll be using. I just hope. So my goal is to not cut off an ear and to get it straight and for it to look good. So you're welcome to join me, love. I'm going to try and put this out. Okay. So this is for your head up here. Let's just get the opening here quickly at the bottom. It's a bit of a, it's quite long. You can just open the bag. There we go.
Okay.
Let's find the...
Don't smother me.
No, of course not. There we go.
Okay.
Okay. One arm, there we go.
Okay.
Let's see if it's wide enough. Ooh, big arms! I love it. Hold on, hold on.
Tiny.
Oh, wait, no. I see this all didn't go right. Phew, no?
There you go.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh. So our makeshift apron is on. Hubby did mention that usually when they start cutting, they start with the number 2. And let me find number 2. I think this is how you put it on. I think you first put this in, then you clip it. This is right, babe?
I don't know.
Like that. This 2 looks big though. Is that right?
Yeah, start with it too.
Okay. Okay, so I've got the nozzle on, the size 2 comb, and I'm going to be going in. Ooh. So apparently you need to add a oil to the I didn't even know, guys, so let me just do that quickly. And now you have some fun with it. Let me just get it off. No? Alright guys, so this is the final look. Hubby did give tips and pointers because obviously I want him to look good, so I won't be doing trimming because this is my first time, so I'm not going to be over eager. I don't want to spoil it for him. I don't think I done too bad, babe. What do you think?
Not too bad.
It's my first time ever, guys. I can never shave.
It's even,
so yeah. So one of the tricks that he taught me is that baby powder helps remove the hairs, and it obviously helps control the sweat because, as you guys know, we have lighting on here and everything is quite hot. And even the day, it was quite hot today, so it helps with all those things. So now you guys have a tip for free as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks, babe, for allowing me to do this. I appreciate it, and I hope I did you proud. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye!